In this video we'll look at the third type of form builder in Macanta, which is the two-way sync form builder. Now this is used if you already have some information from a prospect or client and you need them to provide you with additional information. It also, if you need to collect a lot of information that they might not have to hand right away, it allows them to see what they've already provided and add the additional information. So effectively it allows them to see and update their information in Macanta without needing to log into Macanta. So again, we access the form builder by going to the admin cog on the left and then go into form builder. Then we go on to create a form, and here we are just going to see it's a two-way sync demo. So form type, we're going to choose two-way sync. We're going to go with companies as our data object in this instance, and our relationship is going to be key contact. So whoever fills in this form, they likely will already have the relationship, but it'll be based on the key contact. And then we can say update company information. So email is to identify the contact, so we're not going to do anything with that. We'll leave that there, and we're going to add some fields in here under companies, and let's say we go and have the company name, company address, number of employees, sector, turnover and website, and we can add that, and let's save that form and just make one more change. So I'm going to change here, I want it all to be, actually we're going to go for 4 columns and company info, and edit that. And now I can move these bits around as I need to. That up, and actually company address, number of employees and sector, and then we've got turnover and website. So you can see different form size, different fields, move things around, but again we can play around with those. So if we go and swap these over, we can have that sorted out for us a bit better. So let's leave that as it is there, and we put turnover here, and I can then have that as a bigger box. So let's go and save that. Now you'll note here we don't get any embed code to put on your website because this is driven by Macanta, so the page just gets hosted in your Macanta app and will have your color and logo and stuff on it. So now that we've got that there, I can go and copy this link, and that's then a link that I can put in an email and request information that way. Obviously I'm not going to go through sending an email and everything now, so if I just go here we can get some test information. So this is the link, I'm pasting the link that we copied from the form. You can see here at the end there are some merge tags here which gets populated when someone clicks on this link out of an email, but I can go and fetch that information. So the first one is the item ID of an object. So here's a company we already have, and I can just go and copy that and put that in place of that cd.guid merge tag, and then I can just go back and I can see Erwin's contact ID is 4, so that's the value at the end. I can replace that with 4. So now I can test the form without needing to load an email and set all of that up. So company address, we're going to say their website, erwincamping.com, number of employees and turnover. And we can see outdoor activities is already there, but it can be corrected if it's wrong. So I can now go and say update company information, and it wants this. What have I done wrong here? I think I've just got the wrong format. There we go, and I can go and update that. And it says thank you. So if I now go back here and we go and see Owen's company, you can see now we've got the turnover, number of employees, and the address has been updated in there. So that is how you use the two-way sync form. So of course someone can come back to the link again and they can go and update it again. You can ask for multiple pieces of information, and you can just do that via building that form.